On politics now on Ayodhya, because AIMIM Member of Parliament Imtiaz Jalil is questioning Prime Minister Modi's Ayodhya visit for Ram Temple's Bhumi Pujan ceremony. AIMIM MPs accusing Modi government of double standard. The MP says law should be equal for everyone. Let's listen in to what the MP had to say.
देखिए, ये जितने भी त्योहारों के ताल्लुक से आप निर्बंध डाल रहे हैं, आप कंडीशंस डाल रहे हैं, क्या वो सिर्फ लोगों के लिए है और देश के वजीर आजम के लिए नहीं है, देश के प्रधानमंत्री के लिए नहीं है? वरना क्या वजह है कि 5 तारीख के दिन वो शिलान्यास करने के लिए अयोध्या जा रहे हैं? उनके एक प्रवक्ता ने कहा कि नहीं, हम पूरा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करने वाले हैं प्रधानमंत्री। तो प्रधानमंत्री जी, हम भी आपको कहना चाहते हैं, हम भी पूरा सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन करते हुए हमको भी नमाज पढ़ने की इजाजत दी जाए। आप अयोध्या अपनी मंदिर जाए तो वो जायज है, हम अपने पड़ोस की मस्जिद में 25 लोग जाकर नमाज पढ़ना चाहे तो वो गैर कानूनी हो गया है। ये कहां का इंसाफ है मोदी जी?
All right, I'm now joined by our editor Sahil Joshi for the same. Sahil, that's a very significant, a serious allegation that he's making, and clearly now Ayodhya ceremony is becoming political as well. Sahil, first over to you.
Absolutely. In fact, what Imtiaz Jalil, who is a member of parliament from Maharashtra's Aurangabad constituency, referring to was Bakri Eid, and a lot of restrictions have been put forward by not only the Maharashtra state government but also in UP. These festivals have been given restricted permissions. So he was basically referring to those restrictions and alleging that if the Prime Minister is allowed to go for the Shilanyas on 5th of August, in presence of around 200 people, which is being said at this point of time at Ayodhya, then why not the common people who want to go and perform namaz, pray at the nearest masjid, keeping in mind the social distancing norms? That is what is the question being raised by Imtiaz Jalil. He also clarifies that the MIM is not against building of Ram Temple, because now the Supreme Court has cleared that path. But what he means is that the rules should be common to everyone and should not be changed as per the convenience. That's what is the allegation made by Imtiaz Jalil. But of course, it clearly looks like now that is going to take the political turn, and many who will jump in soon.
And in fact, you also were reporting earlier about what Sharad Pawar had said, and now this. So clearly it's going to become more political. Sahil, I request you to please stay on with me, because I'm joined by BJP Shaina NC now on the phone line. Shaina, many would say that it seems to be a fair point by the opposition that what if the message goes out that one ceremony is allowed while other prayer gatherings are not allowed, especially in times of pandemic? Shaina.
Firstly, this is a Bhumi Pujan. The Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust has invited people in limited numbers. The Bhumi Pujan itself on the 5th of August is hardly a 32-second program, which is at 12:15. Now, the 150 people that have been invited are going to be maintaining social distancing, and do understand this is not a prayer. This is the foundation of a long battle, or rather a long belief of the Hindu community at large. And I think it's a bhavnatmak mudda, so please don't try to make this a rajnetik mudda, or for that matter, as the AIA-DMK is saying, try to make this as if it is of one community vis-a-vis the other.
Shaina, but also this has come after what Sharad Pawar had also said, that the focus this time should have been on the pandemic, not on religious gatherings. So what is the party's message to the opposition raising this issue?
Look, the MIM only knows divisive politics. I don't want to comment on what they are saying, but I clearly want to say that our Honorable Prime Minister is here to lead as the leader who has been elected and representing on a Supreme Court verdict. The Supreme Court verdict is not suggesting that there should be regular praying or festivals at the site of the Ram Lala. This is only a Bhumi Pujan, and for those who understand the kind of emotion that goes up in building the Ram Temple, will understand that an auspicious Muhurat of 12:15 p.m. for 32 seconds is a very important aspect for every citizen. citizen in this country.
Okay.
So if they are able to understand that, the MIM will not be making any kind of a political point.
All right. Thank you so much, Shaina, NC, and also Sahil Joshi. It seems that till August 5th, till the Bhumi Pujan ceremony, there's going to be a political attack on the BJP and more.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.